So, out on site again today. Lovely sunny day at last, which means we can get some exterior things done because, as you may recall, I've been looking to get the roof done on the extension, and that's been delayed because of poor weather. But finally, we've got a sunny day, so that's being done now. But I'll go on to that in a second. I'm just going to turn the camera around because I'm actually on the main plot, and you can see kind of the extent here. And what I've been looking at is we've got a planning in for a new access point, which is going to be roughly where I'm standing. So I'm trying to step back a little bit so you can see. So if you look at the wall is damaged in a number of areas, and we're going to have to take down a huge chunk of it. So if you can see in the distance there from some board, right from that point there, along to where the access is going to be, which is roughly where I'm pointing the camera now, where you can see that tree which is on the other side of the road, and we've also got a road sign out there, so that's roughly where I think we're going to have the access point. And then what I'm looking to do is probably retain the rest of the wall, because that looks okay, but all the bit in between, as you can see, there's a where we've cut back the ivy that was there and some other plants, and also the tree that's the other side of the wall just there has caused it bowing, and it's not been built properly either. So it's probably going to be cheaper to take that down and put fencing in, but retain some of the wall. At least that's the initial thought process. Anyway, so let's go and have a look in the house, see what we've been up to, and then you'll see how things are progressing. So part of the house has been blocked off at the moment, so we're coming in the actual what would be the new front door. So this is where the front door is going to be. It was previously a side door. Okay, so as we come in downstairs, not much change really from last week here in this little bit. Can't go into the other bit yet, I'll have to go into the kitchen, so let's just go upstairs. So we started some boarding up here, and also plastering, so you can see the walls have been done here in the ceiling. These rooms were all completed last time round. This room, we're putting some extra, I can't remember what the material was called, but because we had the damp issues there, it has dried out, but we wanted to take an extra precaution there for that chimney. But this room is otherwise finished apart from a second fix. And then if we go into this room, you can see now the ensuite has been built. That's all been plastered, and plumbing put in, ready. Again, this room is mostly plastered now, apart from where the window is. Ceilings are done, and then into the main bedroom. Wall plastered, partly plastered there. You can see the ensuite. I think this was already the same last time actually, but now boarded out here. Obviously the electrics will be moved. We're just waiting for the electricity company to come. So that's upstairs, so not a great deal of change, apart from the plastering, of course, which has been done and ready for second fix. So if you recall, I mentioned last week about the roof going up. It was due to be going up on Saturday, but because of poor weather it wasn't able to be done, but guys are up there doing that today. Just taking a break, and then if we go into the kitchen area, so if you remember from last week's video, the wall, or the partial wall that was here, we were taken down. You can see the frames now have been built up for the stud to go in, and of course because the wall's going to be built out to where you can see that steel there to hide that. But as you can see, the utility room now is much bigger, so it makes it a functional utility room. So we will have a sink in here, plus the dishwasher, washing machine, etc., and boiler. And then parts of the kitchen have been boarded. We've got the frame put in. So we've got the kitchen designer coming on Tuesday next week. Sorry, Monday next week. So the kitchen designer comes on Monday next week, and then we'll be able to get some prices in for that, and also the windows will be turning up on Tuesday. So that's quite exciting. So hopefully by end of next week we'll see some progress on the windows as well, and then really it's all interior stuff after that. So really looking forward to it.